Hey guys, I'm Patricia Fradenberg. Hope everybody's doing well today. Just wanted to let you guys know a couple things in your vehicle features that is very, very important under stress when you're broken down or you have a flat tire or you need gas. There's certain ways very easy ways that you can get a hold of BMW Roadside. It's basically one click away. You're going to go up to the top of your vehicle, depending on which model. It will say SOS. Open that little tab up and you're going to push it. And make sure you're in a safe area and you're outside somewhere. And we're just going to wait for the call to connect, and you'll see the emergency call it says it right on your iDrive screen, your location, and then they will come on and ask for you.
BMW Assist, I've received an accident assistance call from your vehicle. Are you okay?
I am, thank you. Can you see my location okay?
I can. I show that you're located at 225 Kentington Drive in Durham, North Carolina. Is that correct?
Correct. Thank you for all your help. We're good with the test call. Have a great day.
Okay. You as well. Thanks for using BMW Assist.
Thank you.
Okay now.
See how easy that was? So you're safe, someone answers right away, and you don't have to worry about your cell phone or anything at all. Hope this was helpful. Thanks, guys.